Hello everyone, my name is Claire, and today I'm going to read If I Were the Principal by an anonymous author. If I were the principal, boys, things will change. Our school will be fun if a little bit strange. We keep kangaroo in the classroom as pets. We travel to Europe and learn to fly jets. We get to make movies and all become stars. We learn to race mountains and build time machines. We surf on tsunami in slick submarine. We learn to make robots with nuclear brain and dig up a dinosaur's fossil remains. We battle with pirates and plunder their gold. We duel with dragons for treasures untold. Yes, if I were the principal, that's what we do. We lock evil scientists up in the zoo, while accusing villains and capturing crews. In other words, we will read many books. Thank you for listening. Hope you have a wonderful weekend and happy Mother's Day.